Okay, so to create a Livekit account, head over to the livekit.io site, and here you can head over to Start Building. Once we've done that, you can hit Connect with Google. Now, you're not allowed to include the word Livekit. You can use LK or some other type of abbreviation, and that's going to be what your project's called. So I'll say LK, whatever you want. I'll put that here. So here, they'll ask you a few questions so that they can know more about you. So how big is your company? If you put other, you can say Dr. Full Stack. I'd appreciate that. Now, let's go ahead and submit. Awesome. So we now have our Livekit account. And what we want to do from here is essentially grab our API credentials. Once you've done that, you pretty much don't need to visit this site anymore because the one-click deploy platform will be handling most of the production stuff for us. And then if you save this somewhere where you won't lose it, then you're good to go. So we head over to settings, and then we head over to API key. Now, it may not look like there's much here, but if you actually click on this, and then you head over to reveal secret, you will see all of your credentials there. So you can just copy this button here, and by copying that button, we'll paste that somewhere where we Let's go ahead and create our MongoDB database next so that we can now begin building our voice AI agent.